Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Fuck that up. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're at the shop, as you can see. Got the Speed behind me. And by the title of this one, you already know what we're doing. We got some Underglow. Some cheap-ass Underglow, man. Look at this. Amazon special, 35 bucks. A buddy of mine showed me this, and I was like, damn, I don't mind some cheap Underglow. Let's rice out the Speed even more. So, picked up some Underglow. Well, actually, it's colored car chassis lamps. That's what they're calling it nowadays. We're going back to the early 2000s, and we're putting some lights under this thing, so let's do it. So before y'all start hating, why putting Underglow on your car? That's gay, man. I don't give a shit. It's a super cheap kit, so I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't even work, but it supposedly goes to the beat of music as well. Here's the remote. You got your reds, your greens, your blues, white, orange, yellow, cyan, purple, and then your music stuff, I guess. This feels super cheap. Here's the module for the music, I guess. You can plug it into a cigarette lighter, and it has the push button to start, which is cool. And you can hardwire it, I guess, too. I don't think I'm going to be doing that, just in case it doesn't work. The strips look pretty good, actually. Not too bad. Hopefully that tape is real good. That's what I'm mostly concerned about. Don't want this stuff ripping off on the road. So we'll have to make sure everything's clean before we stick it. I'm going to plug this in, see if it works first of all, before I start installing all this. And we'll go from there. So, if you've got a Mazdaspeed, you should know there's a hidden cigarette lighter input there. Same with here. But I'm not going to plug it in there because that's going to look stupid. I want to have this as hidden as possible. So this is going to go down in here. I don't think you guys can see that down there. It's pretty dark. Plug that in. Yeah, let's see. Oh, god damn, that's bright. Hello? Hello? Wow, that is so accurate. It's just going to me speaking. Sorry for being so damn sweaty, but I just got back from the gym and I couldn't wait to come install this, so I just came right to the shop. And it's like 35 degrees out, Celsius, so it's fucking warm. But let's get this out, see what we're looking at. We better have enough wire. My buddy that installed this said he didn't have enough to get to the back, so that kind of makes me nervous. Not nervous, but a little weary. Alright, so here it is, sort of laid out. Obviously the cigarette lighter plug into the module, and then I've got them split off. The long ones here are for the sides, and then the two shorter ones are obviously the front and back. So now the hard part is just going to be trying to route these wires into the car and out of the car in a clean fashion, because I want to do this right, at least. Yeah, I'm going to take a minute, try to figure out where to run it in the car, or run it out of the car, I guess, and we'll go from there.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, so, oh my good god. It's like 3 hours after the clip you just saw, and I'm just gonna keep this short. Damn, I don't even know what to say. That was stupid frustrating and not worth the time. 100% not worth the time. Do not buy this kit. It's on Amazon for like $34 or something. And it's awful. Like, you don't have enough wiring to do anything. That's my front strip. That's supposed to be under the bumper. That doesn't even come close for making it to this bumper. Here's the rear. You can't see the rear because it's in behind my tank. That's the only spot I really could think of that'd be cool to put that, because it doesn't fit to the rear of the car. The sides, make it to about here because you don't have enough wire. I'll show you it all in here. Shit show. Look at this. Like this. Like this has to stay like this because I don't have enough wire to make it look clean. So I don't know, man. I shouldn't have even installed it at all. It's just a mess. It doesn't look good at all. I shouldn't have bought a kit that was only $30. I'm going to show you what it looks like because I went through all that and this better look fucking cool. So I'm going to air out. Not all the way, but a little bit. So I've got the side strips under the side skirts, which was a pain. Look, you can see that wire. It doesn't look clean at all. Doesn't look good at all. So it better look sick. Wouldn't recommend this kit to anybody. Yeah, just don't buy it. But anyway, let's try it. Enough complaining. It's on there now. Don't see anything. This is the receiver here. So you gotta point the remote to it or it won't work. I see it. There it is. changing colors. It's working. That's pretty cool. Oh my god, look at this! Yo! Turn the lights off, turn the lights off, cut the lights. Yo! That's unreal! Oh, I'm stoked! Close this shit. Doesn't look so good under there. Let's be honest, that doesn't look good. But the sides, they turned out pretty cool. Goes with the music. Look at that. I guess I can't play this song. I'm gonna get copyrighted. So guys, there's a bunch of settings, like, that's jump, whatever that does. Fade, slow fade. Jump. Jump. Then I can set it to whatever color I want. So this is gonna be cool. We'll take her outside and see what it looks like. Close this. Can't see that through the tint probably. But yeah, let's get the heck out of here. You can see it in the back. That's kind of cool. Oh, that's the epitome of rice.